Have you ever wondered if apologies in Hollywood are truly about remorse or just about repairing a damaged reputation? It's a question that's been swirling around a recent story involving late night host Jimmy Kimmel and Erika Kirk, um, the widow of Charlie Kirk. And this is a story that goes beyond one apology exposing a troubling pattern in entertainment media. Following a controversial monologue, Jimmy Kimmel's team reportedly reached out to Erika Kirk with an offer, a public apology on his show. Um, but uh, there was a catch. It came with a request for her to appear as a guest. She firmly declined, stating the issue wasn't hers to resolve. According to Kirk, she made it clear that a hollow apology offered for show held no value. A genuine expression of sympathy, she emphasized, should come from the heart, not be prompted by a desire for positive publicity. This wasn't about seeking closure. It was about refusing to participate in a carefully orchestrated PR move. She refused to allow her grief to become a prop in a ratings-driven redemption arc. The controversy began with Kimmel's monologue, where he discussed the reaction to Charlie Kirk's assassination. His remarks sparked outrage, leading to the temporary removal of his show from several network affiliates and a suspension from Disney. Kimmel eventually returned to the airwaves, offering a statement that many described as subdued. Notably, he never explicitly said the word sorry. It was a response that felt carefully crafted, designed to appease critics without acknowledging wrongdoing. This situation highlights a familiar pattern in Hollywood. A celebrity makes a controversial statement, faces backlash, and then embarks on a media tour to rehabilitate their image. Someone grieving is often expected to participate, blending an air of authenticity to the process. But Erika Kirk refused to play that game. She exposed the formula, controversial comment, suspension, media apology tour, and a return to business as usual. And it's a cycle that many see as prioritizing damage control over genuine remorse. This isn't just about Jimmy Kimmel or Erika Kirk. It's about what plays well mentality that has taken hold in Hollywood and corporate media. If a heartfelt apology requires stage applause and strong ratings, how sincere can it truly be? Erika Kirk didn't just decline a late night appearance. She pulled back the curtain on the performative nature of virtue in modern media, and the public is taking notice. It's a powerful statement about dignity, grief, and the importance of authenticity. They say Hollywood is all about second acts, and but sometimes the most powerful act is simply refusing to play the part. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,